Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that can truly elevate your everyday routine. We all know that dental hygiene isn't just about brushing your teeth. It's about reaching those tricky spots that traditional tools often miss. That's where the doctor's BrushPicks come in, a 2-in-1 interdental brush and dental pick designed to make cleaning between your teeth quick and easy. But are they worth it? Stick with me as we dive into this unique dental tool and see if it lives up to the claims. First, let's take a closer look at what the doctor's BrushPicks bring to the table. This set comes with 120 individual interdental brushes, each housed in a portable dispensing case. The brushes themselves have gentle bristles, which are designed to fit between teeth, even around braces and permanent retainers. On the other side, there's a sturdy dental pick with ridges that help to stimulate the gums, fight gingivitis, and work as a plaque remover. It's a handy little tool that promises to give you that deep clean, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. Now let's talk about real-world use. I've been incorporating these into my daily routine for a few weeks now. What I love about them is the ease of use. The brushes are small enough to fit between my teeth, and the pick side really helps get at stubborn plaque. The bristles are soft but effective, which means I don't have to worry about any discomfort when cleaning those tight spaces. Plus, the compact case is perfect for tossing into your purse or keeping in your car for those times when you need a quick refresh. However, it's not all perfect. The only downside I found was that the bristles can wear out faster if you're applying too much pressure. So it's important to be gentle. Also, if you're used to flossing, you might find it takes a little time to get used to the technique of using the brush and pick together. But with a bit of practice, I found it became second nature. When it comes to value for money, these brush picks are fairly priced, especially considering the 120 count per pack. That's enough to last you a while, and you're getting a dual-purpose tool that works better than traditional floss in many ways. Since these are clinically proven to be more effective than flossing, the price is justified by the results, particularly if you're looking for a solution that's easy to carry and quick to use. Is this the best option out there? Well, there are other interdental brushes available, but the doctor's BrushPicks stand out because they offer the added benefit of the dental pick on the other side, making it a more versatile product than others in the same category. If you're someone who is always on the go, these will definitely be a more convenient option compared to traditional floss or bulky dental tools. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and functional, but nothing too fancy. The brushes are sturdy enough for daily use, and I like that they come in a compact case for easy storage and travel. The longevity of the brushes depends on how often you use them, but overall, I'd say they last quite a while before you need to replace them. Now, a quick mid-review reminder. Is this review helping you decide if this product is right for you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review. If you're ready to try the doctor's BrushPicks for yourself, check the comments for a link to purchase. As far as customer support goes, I haven't had any direct interaction with the brand. However, the doctor's BrushPicks are known for providing solid customer service and responding promptly to any inquiries, which speaks to their commitment to quality and customer care. And for those looking for alternatives, there are other interdental brushes on the market that offer similar benefits. Some options might be priced a bit lower, but based on my experience, the added features of these BrushPicks make them worth the price. So what's the final verdict? The doctor's BrushPicks do exactly what they promise, giving you a deep clean and helping you reach spots floss can't. If you struggle with flossing or need something more portable and easy to use, these are a great solution. They may not replace your full oral care routine, but they're an excellent addition for those who want to take their dental hygiene to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the doctor's BrushPicks, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Remember, you can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.